Categories are used in conjunction with sections to organize your articles in Joomla. When you add articles to your website, you assign a category to each article. Categories are sub-levels of sections and are used to organize your articles into groups. Let's look at an example. On the Joomla homepage, click here in this section. Under the section title, you can see several categories listed. Here, you can see the number of articles contained within each category. By clicking on a category name, you can view the list of articles. Finally, if you click on an article name, the article will be shown. To manage your categories, log in to the back end of Joomla, as shown here. Next, you'll need to access the Category Manager, which is used to view, add, or change categories. Click here to launch the Category Manager. The Category Manager is shown. Listed here are the category titles. The Published column will show a green check if the category has been published. You can change a category to an unpublished status by clicking on the green check in this column. You can control the order of how categories display on your web page by clicking on these arrows. This will sort the categories in a different order. You can also control who has access to categories by changing the access level. Public means that everyone has access to this category. Registered means only registered users have access. And finally, Special would grant access to higher roles, such as authors, editors, or administrators. This column shows the section assigned to each category. This column shows the number of active articles within the category. Active articles can have both a published or unpublished status. Articles that have been moved to the trash are not included here. This number indicates the number of articles which have been moved to the trash. Articles in the trash are still stored and can be either restored or permanently deleted. The ID column contains a unique number for this item and cannot be changed. On the upper right, there are several icons available for managing your categories. These two icons are used in conjunction with the checkboxes to either publish or unpublish one or more categories. You can use this icon to move one or more categories, including articles within the categories, to a different section. You can use this icon to copy a whole category, including articles within the categories, to another section. To delete a category, first click here to select the category. Then click on the Delete icon. After selecting a category, you can use this icon to view or edit category information. You can use this icon to add a new category. Finally, you can use the Help icon to view more information about the Category Manager. As you add more articles to your website, you may need to add additional categories. This will allow you to group your articles together. To add categories, log in to the back end of Joomla, as shown here. Next, click here to launch the Category Manager. To add a new category, click here. The new category screen is shown. In the title field, enter a description for the category. In the alias field, enter a short name without spaces. This is used for an internal name and is an optional field. Next, select Yes or No to indicate if the category should be published. Here, using this drop-down menu, you can select the section for this category. After the new category has been saved, you can select the order for the category. The order controls how the category displays on your web page. By default, new categories will be in the last position. First, click here on the Apply icon to save the information and remain on the page. Now, you can see that the order can be changed by using the drop-down menu. The access level, as mentioned earlier, is used to control who has access to the category. In the Image field, you can select an image to include on your web page for this category. The image must be located in the Images Stories subfolder. For more information on uploading images, please refer to the movie Media Manager, also in this manual. Here, you can specify where the image will be located on your web page. The description is an optional field. It can be used to describe the category. The description does not show anywhere on your web page. The Image button, shown here, provides another way to insert an image for this category. For more information on inserting images using the Image button, please refer to the movie Inserting Images, also in this manual. Next, save your changes by clicking here. The new category is now shown. Now that you have added a new category, it is important to understand the next step in using categories. Articles can now be assigned to this category. This is helpful when you need to group articles together under one heading. For more information on using categories to organize your articles, see the movie Managing Content, also in this manual.